Do you feel like you're losing strength as time goes by? Have you ever struggled to get up from a chair, climb stairs, or carry a simple grocery bag? Maybe your muscles just don't respond the way they used to, and all of this might seem like just part of getting older. But let me tell you something important. This isn't inevitable. The truth is, there's a simple habit that, when practiced daily, can help you regain muscle strength, improve your mobility, and even make you feel more stable and energized, like you're 40 again. And no, this doesn't require a gym membership or expensive medications. It's something you can start doing today, right in your own kitchen. But before I tell you what this habit is, I need you to stay with me until the end of this video. Because not knowing this might be accelerating your muscle loss without you even realizing it. So pay close attention, because if you apply what I'm about to share, you can avoid pain, weakness, and even dependence on others in the future. More than that, you can reclaim your independence and live the next years of your life with more quality, energy, and confidence in your own body. If you care about your health and want to learn more content like this, take a moment now to subscribe to the channel. It really helps us keep producing reliable and accessible information for you. And while you're at it, let me know in the comments. What city are you watching from? Let me ask you something. Do you feel like your legs are getting weaker? Have you noticed that simple tasks like getting up from a chair or climbing stairs are becoming more difficult? If so, know that this isn't just a natural consequence of aging. In fact, it could be a clear sign of muscle loss, a condition many older adults face, but one that can be reversed with small, consistent actions in your daily life. Today, I want to start by talking about a food that might seem ordinary, but it's incredibly powerful. The egg. Yes, the whole egg, with the yolk and all, can be a strong ally in helping you regain muscle strength and feel more energetic, more stable on your feet, and even more balanced. Eggs are considered a complete protein, meaning they contain all the essential amino acids your body needs to build and maintain muscle. These amino acids are like building blocks, and they play a key role in slowing down the muscle loss that naturally happens as we age. On top of that, eggs are rich in choline. Choline helps your body produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in communication between your brain and your muscles. That means eating eggs can actually help keep your movements more coordinated and steady, essential for preventing falls, stumbles, and muscle weakness. Another important point, eggs are a natural source of vitamin D, which directly supports muscle strength, helps strengthen bones, and improves calcium absorption. They also contain vitamin B12, which is essential for maintaining energy levels and avoiding that chronic tiredness that's so common among older adults. A lot of people still worry about eggs and cholesterol, but the latest research shows that for most people, eggs are not a risk. In fact, they're an excellent way to get high-quality protein and essential nutrients without the need for expensive supplements or complicated formulas. So how should you eat them? Ideally, you should aim for 1 to 2 eggs per day, preferably at breakfast, when your body is most receptive to absorbing protein. Boiled, scrambled, or as an omelette, choose what works best for you. The key is consistency. Adding eggs to your daily routine can be the first step toward regaining muscle strength, improving balance, and keeping your independence for years to come. Now that you understand how important eggs are for muscle health, let's talk about another food that can act as a powerful natural remedy, especially for anyone dealing with leg weakness, joint pain, or simply looking to regain the strength they had at 40, sardines. And if you prefer, salmon is also an excellent alternative. Both of these fish are rich in high-quality protein, just like eggs. That means they also provide the essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and maintain muscle mass. But what really sets them apart is another powerful component, omega-3. Omega-3 is a healthy fat that's essential for the body and plays a key role in reducing inflammation. As we get older, many of the muscle and joint aches we feel aren't just from wear and tear. They often come from silent, low-grade inflammation in the body. Omega-3 helps fight that inflammation, which can ease pain, improve mobility, and even support muscle growth and maintenance. On top of that, both sardines and salmon are natural sources of vitamin D, a crucial nutrient for muscle strength and bone health. Vitamin D works directly with the nervous system and helps regulate calcium metabolism, which plays a big part in preventing falls and fractures, something far too common in older adults. Here's another great point. These fish are soft and easy to chew, making them ideal for daily meals, especially if tougher meats are harder for you to eat. Sardines, in particular, are a budget-friendly option and come in convenient forms, like canned versions, as long as you choose options with little or no vegetable oil. Look for sardines packed in water or olive oil instead. Just 1 or 2 servings per week are enough to start noticing the benefits. You can enjoy them grilled, baked, boiled, or even made into a spread to put on toast. What matters most is consistency, including them in your regular routine. If you're experiencing joint pain, muscle fatigue, or feel like you're gradually losing strength, adding fish like sardines or salmon to your diet could be one of the most effective ways to turn that around. When we combine high-quality protein with anti-inflammatory nutrients and vitamin D, we're not just feeding our muscles, we're also protecting our joints, bones, and brain. That's what it means to age with health and independence. Beans and lentils are 2 incredibly nutritious foods that are already a regular part of many people's meals, especially here in Brazil, and for good reason. They're rich sources of plant-based protein, which is essential for maintaining and building muscle mass, especially for people over the age of 60. As we age, our bodies become less responsive to protein intake. That's why it's so important to ensure a good supply of protein throughout the day, and beans and lentils are excellent ways to help meet that daily requirement. These legumes are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that's vital for muscle contraction and proper nerve function. Magnesium plays a key role in muscle relaxation after exertion, helping to prevent cramps, tremors, and general weakness. In addition, beans and lentils provide iron, which is essential for transporting oxygen through the blood to your muscles. When iron levels are low, your body can feel tired more easily, your energy drops, and even small physical efforts become exhausting. Many older adults struggle with these symptoms without realizing that their diet may be the underlying cause. Lentils in particular have better iron absorption than many people think, especially when eaten with a source of vitamin C, like a glass of fresh orange or lemon juice. This simple combination can significantly improve iron absorption and help fight anemia, which is directly linked to muscle weakness and low energy. Another big benefit of beans and lentils is their high fiber content. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar, prevents energy crashes, and promotes a healthier gut. And today, we know that a balanced gut plays a key role in reducing inflammation throughout the body, including in joints and muscles. Because they're affordable, easy to prepare, and packed with essential nutrients, beans and lentils deserve a starring role in your daily meals. Not just as a side dish, but as powerful allies in restoring strength and vitality. Just 1 serving a day, at lunch or dinner, can lead to visible improvements in just a few weeks, especially when combined with a well-balanced diet. Now let's talk about something that not only tastes great, but can also be a powerful ally for your muscle health: dark chocolate. Most people don't realize it, but dark chocolate, especially the kind with at least 70% cocoa, is a functional food that can directly support muscle recovery, improve circulation, and even help reduce pain caused by inflammation. The main reason? It's packed with magnesium, a key mineral for proper muscle function. Magnesium plays a critical role in both muscle contraction and relaxation, helping to prevent cramps, fatigue, and that constant feeling of weakness in the legs that many older adults experience. On top of that, cocoa is one of the richest natural sources of polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that fight free radicals. These free radicals build up in the body over time and damage cells, accelerating the aging process, including muscle aging. By consuming dark chocolate regularly and in moderation, you help your body protect itself from this damage and keep your muscles healthier for longer. Another big benefit? The polyphenols in cocoa boost blood circulation. Good circulation is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, which helps improve recovery after physical effort and increases your overall energy levels. It's important to note, we're not talking about milk chocolate or sugary chocolate drinks. Those usually contain too much sugar and hydrogenated fat, which do more harm than good. Instead, look for chocolate with at least 70% cocoa and enjoy it in moderation. 1 or 2 small squares a day is enough. It's best to have it after lunch to avoid blood sugar spikes and to make the most of its benefits without overdoing it. For anyone dealing with frequent muscle aches, fatigue in the legs, or even trouble sleeping due to discomfort, dark chocolate can be a small daily habit that makes a big difference in how you feel. Have you noticed that as the years go by, maintaining a healthy diet has become more challenging? Lack of energy, digestive issues, muscle loss, and even difficulty eating a balanced diet are real struggles. But what if you could transform your nutrition and ensure better health, vitality, and well-being without complication? The ebook, The Art of Eating Well After 60, is the solution you need. Discover 10 essential steps to a healthy diet in your golden years. Learn how to prevent common diseases like diabetes, hypertension, anemia, and osteoporosis. Get strategies to restore your appetite and improve digestion. Understand the importance of hydration and key nutrients for aging with quality. And receive more than 50 healthy, easy, and delicious recipes to add to your daily routine. Every unhealthy meal is a missed opportunity to live with more energy, free from disease and daily fatigue. Don't wait until health problems get worse. The time to change is now. And the best part? The ebook is on sale. It costs less than a fast food meal, and your body will thank you for this choice. The link is in the pinned comment. Get yours now and start your transformation. Now let's talk about 2 foods that are not only nutritious, but incredibly beneficial for both muscle and gut health. Plain yogurt and kefir. These foods are great sources of easily digestible protein, which is especially important for older adults. As we age, our bodies don't always absorb complex proteins as well. The protein found in yogurt and kefir supports muscle repair and maintenance, which can mean more strength, less fatigue, and a better quality of life. But the real standout benefit of these foods is their high content of probiotics, the good bacteria that support a healthy gut. Why is that so important? Because the gut plays a direct role in managing inflammation throughout the body. When your gut is out of balance, it can trigger inflammation in various areas, including the joints and muscles. On the other hand, a healthy gut helps control inflammation, improves nutrient absorption, and boosts the immune system. In addition to all of this, both yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of calcium, which is essential for bone and joint health. And when made traditionally or more naturally, these foods also contain vitamin K2, a nutrient that helps direct calcium to your bones, rather than to your arteries. This helps prevent cardiovascular problems and strengthens your bones, which is key to avoiding falls and fractures. These foods are generally well tolerated too, especially kefir, which is easier on people with lactose sensitivity. That's because the beneficial bacteria in kefir consume some of the lactose during fermentation, making it lighter and easier to digest. The recommendation is to enjoy 1 serving per day, ideally at breakfast or as an afternoon snack. You can have it plain, with fresh fruit, or blended with a spoonful of flaxseed or oats, an even better combo for digestion and gut health. If you often feel bloated, Have joint pain, or notice you're becoming more sensitive to certain foods, adding plain yogurt or kefir to your daily routine could be a simple yet powerful strategy to strengthen your muscles from the inside out. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories you can add to your diet, turmeric, especially when combined with black pepper. Turmeric is a root commonly used in Indian cuisine, also known as curcuma or golden spice. Its main active compound is curcumin, a substance with well-documented anti-inflammatory effects. For anyone dealing with stiffness in the legs, pain when standing up, or recurring inflammation, turmeric can be a true ally. What makes curcumin stand out is its ability to block inflammatory molecules in the body, molecules that contribute to muscle degeneration and joint discomfort. This is especially important for older adults, since something called low-grade chronic inflammation or silent inflammation tends to become more common with age. But there's one key detail. Curcumin alone is poorly absorbed by the body. That's where black pepper comes in. It contains a compound called piperine, which can increase curcumin absorption by up to 2,000%. In other words, to truly benefit from turmeric, it's essential to consume it with a pinch of black pepper. One of the easiest ways to use this combination is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to foods like soups, rice, sautéed vegetables, or even scrambled eggs. Another great option is to make a warming drink like golden milk, a soothing mix of warm milk, turmeric, black pepper, and cinnamon. This blend can be enjoyed daily, ideally with a source of healthy fat, like olive oil or coconut oil, which also helps improve curcumin absorption. For those dealing with arthritis, chronic pain, or muscles that aren't responding like they used to, including turmeric and black pepper in your daily routine may help reduce inflammation and support muscle recovery, with more comfort and less pain. Now let's talk about green tea, an ancient beverage with surprising benefits for those looking to boost energy, support muscle recovery, and age in a healthier way. Green tea is rich in antioxidant compounds known as catechins, with the most powerful one being EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. These antioxidants help protect muscle cells from damage caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that increase naturally with age and contribute to fatigue, chronic pain, and loss of strength. One of green tea's biggest advantages is its ability to stimulate mitochondrial activity. Mitochondria are the energy factories inside your cells, and as we get older, their function tends to slow down. That directly affects your energy levels and your muscles' ability to recover after physical effort, even small ones. By drinking green tea regularly, your body can maintain a more efficient energy production, which translates into more strength and less fatigue throughout the day. Green tea also has a mild thermogenic effect, meaning it can slightly boost metabolism. This can be helpful for managing body weight, which is important because excess weight puts more pressure on joints, contributing to pain in the knees, ankles, and hips, especially in older adults. Another important benefit, green tea has anti-inflammatory properties. The catechins help lower inflammation markers in the body, which supports muscle health, helps prevent chronic diseases, and improves overall quality of life. To enjoy its benefits, it's ideal to drink 1 to 2 cups per day, preferably in the morning or early afternoon. Just be mindful not to overdo it. Green tea contains caffeine, and too much can interfere with your sleep. And since quality sleep is essential for muscle recovery, balance is key. If you've been feeling tired, noticing a gradual loss of strength, or simply want to protect your muscles from premature aging, green tea can be a simple, natural, and affordable strategy to help you feel more energized and resilient. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Now it's up to you. Start adding these foods to your daily routine and notice how your strength, energy, and quality of life begin to improve. Small changes can make a big difference. See you in the next video.